first big highway, and there's hardly anybody on it. So it's pretty crazy. Not used to seeing that. Looks like a pretty old road too. Can't say I've ever been down this way. I think this is Highway 41. But still, so far it's been a nice ride, nice and relaxing. So, only thing is I gotta take a mad piss. No. Alright guys, so walking through this little narrow trail. You gotta be careful, watch your step, because you just fall straight down that way, because it's kind of sloped. Yeah, you're fucked. Looks like up here though, there's a few more things. Like a little bridge or some shit. It's like a thing's falling over in the middle of the trail. Yeah, guys, look like this tree fell over right in the middle of the trail, probably during that storm. Just gonna step over this.
Be careful, bro.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, you can see why it's called the Red River for sure. I mean, dude, this right here actually looks like a pretty chill spot, dude, on this little bridge.
This shit looks like it's about to fall, man.
This bridge? No.
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm holding on that goddamn tree if it does.
Shit, dude.
Shit, I'm gonna lay my drink right here. I'm gonna go pee over here. That shit's not gonna like fall down there.
All right, guys, we're about to light this up. We'll get with you here in a second. All right. Damn. Got like flattened out in my pocket. There we go. All right, we're about to light this up. Yeah, guys, sorry we couldn't show you all the Bell Witch Cave, man.
Yeah, some bullshit.
Google said they were open today, so we just figured they were open. We didn't know that goddamn the flood would have fucked with shit. I guess from now on we'll just call, dude. Which I'm sure around Halloween time they'll be having like all sorts of shit there.
Yeah, probably need to go at Halloween time. That's something we can do on Halloween, bro, or some shit near it.
Yeah. Kind of getting that Halloween spirit shit.
Let me do a ghost for y'all.
Oh yeah, steez. See if I can do a French in this wind. Oh yeah.
I feel like one fucking stick just floating in the water. Apparently he was saying like this water's like clay or something like that.
I don't know, dude. That'd be my guess. Maybe there's a bunch of clay in the dirt, and that's why. I don't know. We should have read the sign.
I mean, that sign was pretty neat. You can tell it's like old though.
Yeah, it's probably been around forever, dude. This could.
I wonder how much more there is on this trail.
I don't know.
We'll get deeper into this.
Yeah, we'll see what the hell's going on over here.
This is someplace here in Tennessee. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's real pretty out here. Adams, Tennessee, and there's all the little stores. It's like Adams Barbecue, Adams Station. Like everything is named after the town here. Surprised this ain't Adams State Park. But yeah, after an hour-long fucking drive where we didn't get to see the cave, we're finally able to smoke this shit and do something. We didn't want to just leave, you know.
Yeah, we gotta actually like stay really like more content for y'all to like look at, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, just good quality videos for you guys. we'll have something cool one of these days to show y'all. So don't worry, we're gonna find some cool shit.
Yeah, there's more stuff we're gonna try to film for y'all. Like, we always try to be entertaining. Like, we always think of something for y'all.
Here in the next couple weeks.
We really like y'all to watch our stuff. Like, I mean, we try to have fun and enjoy y'all too. Like, we're trying to have fun and
we're trying to share the fun with you.
Yeah.
But yeah, we should be going to an amusement park here in a couple weeks. So we should be dropping a video then.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of content.
Yeah, it's just good to make videos and shit every once in a while, because working all the damn time, you know, it's nice to do something fun. So,
yeah. I mean, how long should we chill here, bro? Like, just go walk around as long as we can.
yeah, dude. We could walk a little bit down the trail. Because what time is it, dude?
We could just tell where we can just tell them, like, yo, like...
It will be a few minutes late.
I mean, you already got your shit with you, don't you? Like, the work clothes.
Shit, I left the shit at the house. I forgot it, dude.
Yeah. And say, bro, we could just head out then, and as soon as we get to Portland, just do that.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, it sucks, dude. That's why goddamn fucking cave should have been open. Today was the day.
When are we supposed to go on that vacation, bro?
Here in just a couple weeks, man. Should be going, and we don't exactly know which theme park we're going to, but
yeah, we need to figure that out.
yeah, we're going to either go to Kentucky Kingdom, Six Flags, or Holiday World, one of those. So if anybody sees us before we go, leave in the comments what you think is the best one, because we're having a hard time deciding.
Yeah, we need some info, man. Let us know.
Because we've been to Holiday World before, but Kentucky Kingdom, that was damn years ago when we went there, dude. Fucking Six Flags, that's when Kentucky Kingdom used to be a Six Flags, I'm pretty sure.
I mean, we should probably go to, like...
But there's Six Flags, they have a water park and shit.
Yeah, so we might as well go to Six Flags.
Yeah.
We'll probably end up going to Six Flags, most likely.
Yeah, more than likely. Just... Either way, we're going to have some content for you, so... I wish we would have got videos when we went to Myrtle Beach, dude.
White grape. White owl.
One thing for sure, though, when you're in all these trees and you ain't got no breeze, it's kind of hot out here.
Yeah.
It's kind of humid, I guess.
Leave comments of what kind of like blunt wrap papers y'all use to smoke on.
Yeah. Yeah, what's your favorite wrap? Everybody got all crazy about Blue Raz by White Owl. I mean, they're all right, but they were kind of harsh.
Yeah, a lot of people say that. Like, it got a good like smell.
Yeah, they taste good too.
Yeah, they taste like a blunt on it tastes just like Blue Raz.
Yeah. Yeah, so give us recommendations on wraps. We'll make reviews and shit.
Oh yeah. Always leave infos for what we should do too. Like, we'll do it.
Yeah. Yeah, if y'all think of some cool shit, just let us know. We'll try to hook you up with some videos. That's about out.
Alright, so yeah. You know the drill.
Area over here looks pretty creepy a little bit.
Pretty dope. We haven't seen anybody else out here yet.
I don't even know if this is even. It seems like a trail, but we don't know where it's leading to.
Right now, I'm just trying to make sure we ain't walking on goddamn spider webs.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for that shit.
Watch out for this thorn bush.
You sure this is that area, bro, we're supposed to go through?
Yeah, dude, this is a trail, dude. That's what we're walking here. There's more steps up here.
Really?
Dude, just random sets of steps up through here. The video going?
Yeah.
There's like random steps up through here so you can not lose your footing. some of these niggers.
Yeah, there's footing. Yeah. It's crazy. I'm kind of creeped.
There's a big one right there.
Step on that fucker.
Oh, dude, looks like it's looping back up through here.
Oh, dude, I just went right into one, bro.
Shit.
Damn.
Here, hold that upright. The camera.
Oh, dude, turn my
Oh, I
eye.
got it right here in front of you. All
Yeah,
right.
damn.
I think you're good, dude. I don't see one on you.
Just creeps me out, bro. You sure about this?
Yeah, dude. That's what's going right up through here. I think it's coming
Go,
back
man.
out. Yeah. These steps are pretty dope, though, dude. Glad these are here.
Dude, are you sure about this?
Yeah, dude.
Damn, bro. This is crazy.
This is what a nature trail is. We're gonna have to be real careful up here. There's a big one. Watch out for that. See him right there? Get him in the video. So guys, I don't know what the hell type of spider this is, but it's one of those weird ass looking ones. See right there. We ain't gonna mess with him.
Where's he at?
He's right here. See him?
Yeah, he's in there.
Part right here is pretty slow. This would be a crazy ass mountain bike trail, dude. I don't know if you'd be able to do it with all these fucking steps and shit. Watch out, this rock's probably slick as fuck.
Damn, bro, that spider was still on me.
We're just hitching a ride, dude. So you got a pretty good view of the lake up here too. Just about. Bet during fall time, when all these leaves are dead, it looks pretty nice.
There's a lot of spider webs, bro. I keep getting that shit.
Yeah. Get rid of them motherfuckers.
Make sure they ain't on you either, bro.
Oh, dude, there's a road right there. I think this is that first trail we started to walk down. You know what I'm talking about?
Who knows? No, that trail's down there.
But no, I'm talking about the one that was uphill that we turned around and
Yeah, dude, there's another trail over there, bro.
Is it really?
Yeah, bro, we got another trail to go on.
Where's that?
It's on across the road up there.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, shit.
We might be at the wrong place. This might just be the Red River.
Here's a good, nice spot. We should have smoked right here, dude. Up on this rock.
You check me for spiders, bro.
Yeah, I don't see nothing, dude. Should be good.
Yeah, bro, but there's like another spot over there. Like, there's another, like, trail you take. How many minutes we got? It's 2:39.
Shit, dude, we got an hour and a half.
We just be like, hey, we'll be back soon.
Yeah.
I'm sure we're supposed to take this way back.
Yeah, I think so, dude.
Hope so.
I don't know where else this would go. Because we just keep going up. The road's pretty much like right over there. I think this is connecting back to that one trail, dude. Oh, shit. That was a damn spider web somewhere.
You can get this fucker.
There's one right there. Look, there's another little spider for you guys. Right there. See it? I might have fucked it up when I hit that branch. It don't look too hot right now. Yeah, dude. There's the road. There's the road.
Hopefully that bridge shit's over here.
Yeah, that bridge is like. See, dude, we're almost back.
Somebody's been up here, it looks like.
Yeah, dude. I don't know what the hell. What is this? Wieners.
Someone was like cooking out or some shit.
Cooking out up here. Yeah, dude. Connected back to where we was.
Alright, cool. There's that other trail.
You say it was over there?
Yeah. No, it's across the street.
Stores of Port Royal. The earliest stores date back to the 1790s, most of which were taverns and inns. Stores could thrive for many years due to the commerce brought in by the Great Western Road, which passed through Port Royal. At various times, the town had silversmiths, blacksmiths, grocers, doctors' mills, dry goods stores, cabinet and furniture makers, tailors, shoemakers, and even a silk mill in the 1840s. This was once the main street through Port Royal. Stores lined the street on either side for several hundred yards. So this was the old road that went through old Port Royal. So we got a nice little bridge up here. That right there looks like a little chill spot. It's part of the Red River. And this is across the road from Red River. Where that car right there is, that's where you walk into the trail over there. And we just had to walk across the road, now we're on the main road, Fort Royal. Got a little sign here. The Sulphur Fork of Red River. Y'all can pause it and read it right there. We're just gonna continue down. See, it looks like another little trail, probably a bike trail right down there. It's more the Red River. Wouldn't mind taking a little John boat out here, dude.
Yeah,
Pretty
dude.
sick. Yeah, like at nighttime and shit, dude. Hell yeah.
Whatever.
Damn.
It's a little neat little bridge or two.
Oh shit, dude. Is it blocked off up here at the end? What the fuck?
Park boundary.
Let's see what the hell this is. So I guess we're at the edge of the park, dude.
I guess so.
Damn. I thought this actually kind of like went through here. I guess not. It's just a cornfield. Damn. That was kind of disappointing. So damn. So we gotta continue back that way. Shit. All right, guys. This has been our trip to Port Royal.
Yeah.
Tried to go to Bell Witch Cave, but that kind of didn't happen. And now this Port Royal bullshit. Like, it's cool and shit, but there's not too much out here.
Yeah, that's alright. But I mean, something.
If you're an old person, you're gonna go walk your dog, then those fucking trails will be fine for you. Or if you're just going out there to chill. But that's pretty much it. Shit, I guess we'll see you guys in the next video. And stay high.